We are at the UW Dairy School. Yes, they have a school of dairy. And you know what's a great thing to see in a school that involves food and things you eat and drink? A cockroach. Yummy. He wants to know where the milk and cheese is too. Anyway. Yeah, so that's a little concerning, but we got an elevator here. And even worse than a roach infestation is the elevator's modernized. Oh no. Whoa, what the heck? This is one of them Frassenger elevators. Freight passenger combined.
Going up?
I'm not gonna lie, now I'm creeped out. I don't want to encounter like a roach. I don't want one to like crawl up my leg or something. Ugh. Oh, this doesn't go very far. Alright. Oh, we're on B. Jesus, this seems slow. Holy crap. This thing's slow as hell.
Floor 2.
30 years later, we're up at the second floor. This is a new mod. They got the new Bruiser Halo fixtures. You already know, in a couple of years, these buttons are going to be everywhere. It's going to be like the new Bad BS. Oh, wait, there's a window. We can see out. See for yourself just how slow we're going. Look at that. Breathtaking view. I'd say we're going like, oh, there's the first floor. I'd say we're going like 50 feet per minute at best. So this whole thing lifts up. And we'll see if the door opens. Maybe this actually might just be a power door. Who knows? We are still going. Let's check on our progress, huh? Oh, here, now we're leveling. Not that it's that much slower than the travel speed. Alright. Look out for roachies. Anyway. That will be it.